Are you giving us copies of this?
Just to embarrass. There are many you are seeing now.
And my Lord, again, if I may show you, because my life is now being stabilized on a cocktail of drugs. This kit here.
Actually, I read those drugs.
Yeah, but even away from Morago, my Lord, if I may show you. If I may show you, my Lord. My Lord, if I may show you the cocktail of drugs that I'm using. See, the whole bag of drugs, and the feeding is not that good, my Lord. I get my dinner at 3 p.m. and we are locked up at 3:30. Imagine taking all these drugs on an empty stomach, my Lord. All this, as you can see this. And some are even in the bags here. It's quite a lot, my Lord, here. All this. You keep taking this.
File written submissions before the end of business today. Counsel for the respondents should file submissions in reply by midday on the 28th of July. In case of any submissions in rejoinder, let the same be filed by 11 p.m. on the 28th of July. I will deliver my ruling on the 30th July at 9 a.m. If you are not misactual, you don't even have to move. Okay?
Most of that, my Lord.
Regarding those issues, the complaints of the applicants,
Yes, my Lord.
why don't you take him back to Mulago for examination?
My Lord, we shall have to consult the medical team and the report shall be handed for us.
Because now the report I'm relying upon, it was given to the Chief Magistrate.
This being a referral hospital, they bring so many patients from all across the country, from all the prisons. And since I'm remanded in the hospital, the screening of these patients
Can cause you problems.
Yeah, especially TB. I'm predisposed, my Lord, to TB infection because almost on a daily basis, there are TB cases which are established. I was advised by our resident doctor that I should keep my mask on 24/7, but my Lord, it's not easy. You can't sleep in a mask. And also, my Lord, given my pulmonary challenges, lung challenges, breathlessness, keeping the mask on all through is problematic. But again, I can't be remanded elsewhere because the bombers, the other wards are not at all, they are not well ventilated and they are fully congested, my Lord. So the only place where I can be kept according to the prisons authorities is where I am. So I was requesting if I can be, my Lord, taken back to Mulago for the time being. I'm sorry, my Lord, but I'm worried because I'm sitting on a time bomb, my Lord. I'm extremely worried. I'm having sleepless nights, my Lord. Even the clonazepam, the bromazepam I'm using as sedatives, they are no longer effective because of my situation, my Lord. With lots of drugs causing a lot of dizziness, poor feeding, with all those threats, and the excruciating pain I am having at the back, the neck here, the sciatica here, the left leg, without the services of a physiotherapist. So it's a cocktail of challenges, my Lord.
Yes. I'm hearing, by the way.
Thank you, my Lord.
And for information, they're all being recorded verbatim.
Thank you, my Lord.
Well, in chambers, basically we introduced sureties. 4 sureties that came to stand for him, in addition to his personal guarantee of attending court as and when he's required. The other thing that took place in chambers was agreeing on our schedule of filing written submissions. By close of business, we would have filed our submissions. The state was given up to Tuesday at midday to file their responses, and for us to file our rejoinder, if any, by 11 p.m. Tuesday. So he undertook to give us a ruling on Thursday next week at 9. 30th at 9 o'clock. That is what we agreed on. The house of Honorable Lukwago continues to worry us. It is worrying because it deteriorates day by day. Hopefully, we will get there. He will reach there. So it did apply to go to Mulago, but court did not make those orders, but asked the prison's authorities, one, to do what is required in the circumstances after consulting the medical team in Luzira. So we will follow up with them to ensure that he gets the facilities that he needs, especially those that were recommended in the Mulago report. For example, physiotherapy. We want to thank prisons. I think they are trying, but they are ill-equipped. They do not have the necessary equipment. They have that national referral hospital of theirs in Murchison Bay. Definitely it's congested. The prisons themselves are congested. And I think one of the reasons prisons are congested is because we keep so many people who are not supposed to be there. It is one thing that we need to look into as a country. They have one physiotherapist for all the prisons, so he moves from one to another. Even then, there are facilities that he does not have, which he needs to have. But we are only talking about managing symptoms. Even physiotherapy is intended to manage symptoms, to minimize or mitigate the pain. Generally, what he needs is an overhaul. Yeah, thank you very much.
Those things are online.
Yes?
All those things are online.
It's okay, my lord.
Yeah.